Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and we are going to get into how I made my ice cream bar for summer. Thank you for tuning in today. I am Christina. Thank you for all my subscribers. And if anyone is new here, please subscribe. I do appreciate it as I do DIY projects, everything home decor and lifestyle. So I am excited about this project. I actually decided to do an ice cream bar at my servant bar area. So I haven't done anything with it since Mother's Day. So I'm pretty ecstatic about it. Having a lot of kids in the house, especially my daughters with their friends, it's gonna be a nice add-on when they come over and she's trying to entertain, and only not just for them but for us as well as home. So I am excited about it. Let's get into it. I am started with my DIY project. Decided to make the sign myself. Under $20, like it was just perfect. Make it look kid friendly and like very playful, like when you're seeing an ice cream truck outside. So that was the kind of idea that I was going with here today. So I hope you enjoy the video and comment and share this video if you like it, and don't forget to thumbs it up. Thank you. Let's get into it. am excited about this Ninja Creami Deluxe machine. I done heard great things about it, so I cannot wait to try it myself. I've also heard negative things. You know, not everything has a good comment, but I am excited because it also allows us to store some ice cream and frozen drinks and other recipes that come with it. I looked at the book and I was like, oh my God, it's so much in here. But I'm excited to just play around with it. So if you decide to get one, I will say to get extra canisters that's in there for your ice cream. The tubes that it come with, they give you two, but I bought 4 more because it's 4 of us in the house. And then when you want something else besides ice cream, it's good to have options. And I might order just 1 more.
Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
The machine makes slushies as well, so I decided to have different syrup flavors. I know for a fact my girls are super excited about that, as they love Italian ices. And then you can make frozen different type of ices as well. It's gonna be great. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you enjoy me making this ice cream bar station. I am thrilled about it. I love it. And I hope you like yours if you decided to make one with me today. If you have any comments about anything I added in here, please let me know. I do comment back. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.